Think it takes a long time to style curls? Let's time it. I want to show you exactly what I do to get ready fast. I'm Christina from hairromance.com, and this is my messy second day hair. I usually clip my hair up at night, and I'll link to my nighttime curly hair routine below. Some days it's perfect, and other days it looks more like this. Let's shake it out and see what we're working with. Flip your part to see which side looks better, and shaking the roots of my hair gives me more volume, so I'll only really need to tidy up the top layers. Let's get the very top out of the way with an Invisibobble, and let's have a look at what we're working with. Now, my hair always needs conditioner, and I love the Schwarzkopf Fiber Therapy Leave-In Spray. My hair drinks this stuff up, and it also contains Plex technology to help rebuild the bonds that I've damaged from bleaching and everything to my hair. It also helps to smooth down any fuzzy layers and makes my hair feel amazing. Once that soaks in, I'll also treat the top layer. Really, my hair can never get enough conditioner. And then pop that back out of the way. Think I should get a curly fringe? No, me neither. Now that the conditioner's soaked into my hair, it's time for my styling cheat. I take a small section of hair that looks messy and wrap it around a curling wand. I love to use a small curling wand that's about the same size as my curls. It helps to define my curls and they blend in perfectly. Oh, but wait, I forgot something. You really should use a heat protectant. My leave-in does provide some heat protection, but I also love the Batiste Heat and Shine Spray because it does exactly what it says. I'll just spray that all over, or use whatever heat protectant you have at home. Now I'm just going to keep working around, picking up random sections to curl. For a natural looking shape, I curl some sections forward and some back away from my face. I tend to do maybe like 2/3 back and 1/3 forward. It's always a little bit more flattering to have the curls go away from your face, but you want it to look natural and blend in with your real curls. It doesn't need to be perfect, so just pick up some small sections and keep working all the way around. Now, once you're getting happy with the bottom layer, can't see any more sections to curl, we'll start moving on to the top layer. I'm using the Batiste Heat and Shine Spray again. And next we're just going to work out where to part your hair. I really like to create an uneven zigzag part line for a few reasons. It looks more natural in curly hair, and it also helps to add volume as a straight part can look really flat. Plus, it does help to hide my regrowth too. That's a bit of an added bonus. Now that we've got our part sorted, grab my curling wand and we'll finish this top section. Just like before, I'm going to curl some pieces forward. I usually start just around the face by doing one forward, and then the next piece I'll do back. Remember, when you're curling small sections, you don't need to curl your hair for long. It only takes a few sections to heat it through, and if you find the curls a little bit too tight, you just pull on the end of your hair to stretch it out a little bit. Personally, I like to work in small sections to match my natural curls, but you can also make it faster by curling larger sections and then splitting them after. But for me, I find it's just easier to do smaller curls. Then once you've curled all that, we're pretty much done. Now for the frizz. I use my Schwarzkopf BB cream to smooth my hair and tame any frizz. Rub it between your palms so you don't get too much product in one place, and then smooth it over your hair. The BB cream is water-based, so it really helps to hydrate my hair and it isn't sticky or heavy. And because I love big hair, a little of the Batiste XXL volume spray really gives some root lift. I just spray that underneath and work it into my hair. I love this stuff so much. I have a whole video on it which I'll link below. Now, how do we go? All done in about 9 minutes. And that includes a fair bit of faffing about. I bet I could do this in about 7 or 8 minutes. This sort of styling is so much faster and more reliable than doing a wet refresh of my hair. I hope this helps when you need to style your curls in a hurry. Please subscribe, give this a thumbs up if you want more curly hair videos. I'll see you over on hairromance.com. Bye.